Hello everyone. In this video, we would like to do some mental math. I would like to show you how to multiply these numbers mentally. Now, to do this, we will do halving and doubling. Let's look at the first question. 24 times 12. Do you know what's 24 times 12? I don't. So what I will do is I'll halve one of them, any. You can halve the 24, you can halve the 12, it's up to you. I'll do half the 24. So I'll think of 12 times 12. Do you know what's 12 times 12? I don't. So I'll halve one of them again. So I'll do 6 times 12. I don't know what's 6 times 12. So I'll halve again. Let's do 3 times 12, which is 36. Now, if 3 times 12 is 36, what's 6 times 12? It's just double of 36. So it's 36 plus 36. 30 plus 30 is 60. 6 plus 6 is 12. 60 plus 12 is 72. Now, to do 12 times 12, we just double the 72. 72 plus 72 is 144. And finally, to do 24 times 12 is just double of 12 times 12. So it's 144 plus 144. It's 288. And that's how we do it mentally. When I say mentally, that means you don't need to write all these. No, these you will just do it in your head mentally, quickly. You see the question, 24 times 12, you don't know it, just quickly in your head do 12 times 12, you don't know it, so do 6 times 12, you don't know it, so do 3 times 12, and then keep doubling until you get to the answer. Let's look at another example. 34 times 8. We halve. So here we go down halving, and here we go up doubling. Now 34 times 8 is difficult, so I'll just do 34 times 4. Oh, it's also difficult, so I'll do 34 times 2. I don't even know 34 times 2, so I'll do 34 times 1. 34 times 1 is just 34. Times 2 is just double of 34, so it's 68. Times 4 is double of 34 times 2. It's 68 plus 68. 60 plus 60 is 120. 8 plus 8 is 16. 120 plus 16 is 136. That means 34 times 8 is 136, doubled. So it's 272. So we can do this mentally. If you go down, you halve. When you are going back, you are doubling. Can you try the next one, please? You can pause the video and give it a try. Now to do 16 times 32, I don't know it. This is a very difficult question. I'll just halve one of them, any. You can halve 16, you can halve 32. I'll halve 16. 8 times 32, I don't know that. I'll do 4 times 32, I don't know that. I'll do 2 times 32. It's 64 because it's just 32 times 32. Now 4 times 32 is double of 64. It's 128. Double 128. Double of 100 is 200. Double of 28 is 56, so it's 256. Now double 256. Double of 250 is 500. Double of 6 is 12, so it's 512. Now let's do 15 times 16. We can't halve the 15 because it's going to give you a decimal. It gives you 7.5. Now let's halve just the 16. So it's 15 times 8. Half the 8, 15 times 4. Half the 4, 15 times 2. 15 times 2 is 15 plus 15. So it's 30. 15 times 4 is going to be double of 30, so it's 60. 15 times 8 is double of 60, it's 120. And 15 times 16 is 240. We double and half. Now, let's have a look at different method. If you want to do it faster, you can halve both numbers. Now let's halve both numbers. It's going to be 8 times 12. I halve the 16 and I halve the 24. I don't know 8 times 12, so I halve both of them again. So it's going to be 4 times 6, half again, 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Now to find 4 times 6, it's going to be double of 6 and double of the answer. Now, double of 6 is 12, double of 12 is 24. Now, to find 8 times 12, we double 24 twice. So 24 double is 48, 48 double is 96, and then to find 12 times 24, we double 96 twice. It's going to give you 384. Now, if you don't know why I double twice, because I halved both of them, I halved twice, so you double twice. So again, if you go this way, you halve. If you go the other way, in this case, you multiply by 4 or double twice. Now, this is similar. It's your turn to try this. It's similar also. We halve both numbers. We multiply by 4 and we get the answer. Now, the last one, can you try this, please? So we double both, we halve both, we halve both again, we halve both again. 4 times 2 is 8. Now double 8, 16, double 16 is 32, double 32 is 64, double 64 is 128, and so on. And that's all. It's now your time. Please try this mentally and comment your answer. That's all. Thank you for following. Bye.